best in mild temperature. It can be grown productively even in home gardens. Squash comes in different shape, size, and color. Although squash is a fruit according to its botanical classification, it is generally considered a vegetable in food preparation. Its life cycle is similar to many plants, relying on the pollination of insects, sunlight, rich soil, water, and time. Here we will know the various stages squash go through, its growth and development, which made easy for the farmer to monitor. Now I will show you the life cycle of squash, my favorite vegetable. Seed. Make the seeds dry. Then plant directly to rich soil if the weather is good. Or make some seedlings to make sure of its growth. Sprout. Soon after planting, the squash seeds will germinate. Small plants with seed leaves will appear. Vine. Squash seeds spread busily as it grows. It can cling to poles or spread across the ground. Large leaves will grow that catch the maximum amount of sunlight. Flower. About 6 weeks after the germination, male squash blossom will appear, followed a week later by female blossoms. These blossoms, flower, will pollinate each other through the help of flying insects. Fruit. Once pollinated, the female blossoms begin to produce fruits, and here comes the fruit, which is the squash. This is the finished product, cooked in lao oil, which is my favorite menu. Hope you have learned something about the life cycle of my favorite vegetable, and I hope this video will motivate you to eat squash, which is delicious and has many health benefits. Thank you.